What's up guys, my name is Eric. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, we are going to be buying a BMW E36 325i for 500 bucks. Let's check it out.
About this car until right now.
Just like that, show up, steal your car, out.
Bro, why is this man? I hated this piece. Why am I sad it's leaving?
I don't know, because you didn't take care of it, and now you realize if you did, maybe it could have been cool, but you didn't take care of it, so it's not cool, but it might be one day. But it's exactly what I need for a project car.
Do you want this?
No, you know what? That's a gift. Oh, I do need my house key and work office key.
Alright guys, so we have officially made it home with the E36. It ran great. We had about a 15-minute drive home. Temperatures were great. Everything seems like it works. I think it needs a turn signal bulb, and obviously the stuff that you guys saw, like the interior needs a little bit of help. Stuff like that. The exterior has a few dings and dents here and there, which I guess I'll show you guys right now. It looks like the hood took a front impact along with this grill area at some point. Not the worst. I mean, it still lines up decently well. Could eventually replace the hood and the grill section if we wanted to. The other main damage is this rear fender right here. Has this big dent going on right there. That's mainly the two dings, is that one in the front and this one right here. It looks like it pushed out this bumper just a little bit, maybe broke the clips off. We're gonna give this thing a wash, which I'll show you guys in a montage. I think that is gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you guys smash that like button on this video, hit that subscribe button to check out some more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. What's the retail on one of those?
Like 10 grand.
More than I can afford, pal.